Welcome to our channel. Today we how the Nordstrom Credit Card works. Benefits and usage explained step by step clearly. First, understand that Nordstrom offers both a store-only card and a Visa card that can be used outside Nordstrom. Second, check which version you qualify for, because approval may determine whether you get the store card or the Nordstrom Visa. Third, apply online, in-store, or through the Nordstrom app, and prepare your personal and income information. Fourth, if you are approved, read the cardholder agreement carefully to learn the interest rate, fees, and payment rules. Fifth, create or log in to your Nordy Club account, because rewards tracking is tied to your Nordstrom profile. Sixth, link your new card to your Nordy Club account so your purchases automatically earn rewards. Seventh, learn the main benefit. You earn Nordy Club points for eligible purchases, which can turn into Nordstrom notes. Eighth, understand that Nordstrom notes work like store credit and can be used toward future purchases at Nordstrom. Ninth, watch for special card member events where you may earn extra points or get early access to promotions. 10th, use the card first for purchases you already planned, so you build rewards without overspending. 11th, pay attention to your statement closing date, because that determines when purchases post to your bill. 12th, set up online account access so you can view balances, due dates, and recent transactions anytime. 13th, turn on autopay for at least the minimum payment to avoid late fees and protect your credit history. 14th, aim to pay the full statement balance each month, because interest charges can quickly cancel out rewards. 15th, learn your credit limit and keep your balance low relative to that limit to support healthier credit utilization. 16th, use the card at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack when you want to maximize brand-related rewards and perks. 17th, if you have the Nordstrom Visa, you can also use it elsewhere, but rewards rates may differ by category. 18th, save receipts and check your transactions so you can spot any incorrect charges quickly. 19th, if you notice suspicious activity, contact the issuer immediately and follow their dispute process. 20th, understand that cash advances and balance transfers may have separate fees and interest terms, so avoid them unless necessary. 21st, learn how returns affect rewards, because refunded purchases can reduce points and Nordstrom notes earnings. 22nd, watch your Nordstrom notes expiration rules and use notes before they expire to avoid losing value. 23rd, combine your card benefits with Nordstrom sales, clearance, and rack deals to stretch your budget further. 24th, keep your contact information updated so you do not miss important alerts about payments or account changes. 25th, review your monthly statement line by line to confirm charges, payments, and interest are correct. 26th, track your spending categories to ensure the rewards you earn match your shopping habits. 27th, avoid making only minimum payments, because it increases total interest and keeps you in debt longer. 28th, build credit over time by paying on time every month and keeping your account in good standing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.